For today's video, I am going to make a healthy egg salad, and then I'm going to make some wraps out of it. So I have some eggs chopped up here, and I have a salad ready to go. But instead of normally with this, what we'd often see added to the boiled eggs, we usually put in a little bit of mayonnaise. So I want to just make an alternative to mayonnaise using, normally I'd have Greek yogurt, but actually I just have some natural yogurt left in the fridge, so I decided I'd use that instead. But Greek yogurt is better for this because it's a little bit thicker. But today I'll just use this because I don't want to waste it. So I have 4 eggs, boiled eggs there. I need 60 grams or so of the yogurt, the natural yogurt, but it's what I have here, but Greek yogurt just is a little bit thicker and gives you a nice thicker consistency. And then a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix the two of those together. Put in a little bit of black pepper. A pinch of salt, sea salt. And that's it. That is our healthy mayo alternative. It's really delicious. So I have the eggs sliced in here. I'm going to break them up a little bit more. That's it, really. It's ready to go. You could serve that on a little bit of toasted sourdough, on a bit of soda bread. But what I'm actually going to do now is make it into a wrap. So I have some wholemeal wraps here. I will, the easiest to start off by putting this in this case. I would often line it with the lettuce first, but I think it's easier to probably spread this with nothing on it. I will put on some spinach leaves, mixed leaves, cherry tomatoes, quarters there, and that's it. So next I'm going to wrap it up. So I'll put in the sides, 2 sides, and then the side that's facing the other side. So it's like nearly like a small envelope or a large envelope. And then with my fingers holding down these sides, I start to roll this part, holding it all together like that. Cut it at an angle. Ready to go. So I'm just going to do one more wrap, and I'm just going to show it to you, just cut in a slightly different way. So okay, so this time I want little pinwheel wraps, so I'm just going to cut off the end, and then I'm slicing it into even sized circles, cylinders. I'll have to just taste that one myself. And then get the bigger plate. So this is a nice idea if you have somebody coming around for lunch, and maybe you make a few different types of these pinwheel wraps. afternoon tea. Just put this aside. And that's it. That is that one. Maybe just do 2 on one plate. Okay.